Welcome back to my world. Hey everybody. What Future say? Real sisters? Come on this bike ride with me and my sister.
But damn, you can guess, nigga, to this
Life is really beautiful if you see it that way. My son be like, no cap. That's what I mean. Peep the shirts. 80s, baby. You been to what? How good fruit is for the body. Say cheese. It was warm, it was sunny, and you can tell I was taking it all in and enjoying every moment. I seen this face on the wall and I dang near screamed. Wall art is so dope. Graffiti, whatever you want to call it. Let me get a close-up on my paint job. It's like, that's close enough. I love my city.
Daydreaming and I'm thinking of you. Daydreaming and I'm thinking of you.
I've left my house about 5 times over the past 30 days, so when I do leave, I try to make a day out of it and get some fresh air. Same routine, bike ride, little cardio exercise, and groceries. Stepdad in the house, better watch your mouth. Ow. Now where is my mama at? Let's go see. Her scooter died while we were down the street, so she wasn't feeling it.
Why would you be looking like that?
Friends or family? Says who? Me. I'm so excited to show you what I got. I'm going to document my journey learning how to longboard. Super dope. / skateboard. I wanted to start with the longboard because it's easier to ride. It's bigger, so that's more space. She's beautiful. Look at her. Or is it a boy? I've been watching YouTube videos and I'm going to learn how to do this, and I'm going to be sweet. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. I am satisfied. I'm in love. A visual of how I'm about to be this summer. This is the cutest thing ever. I'm so ready. How that first step up looked though. Alright. How to teach a unicorn to longboard. I got this and I'm gonna get this, like I said. Thanks for hanging with me. Repeat after me. This summer will be lit. If you say so. And if you know so. Stay positive. Stay dope. Fresh. Creative. Supportive. Inspirational. All that good stuff. I'm squeezing in this nail pick because I didn't show you a close-up. So here it is. Heartwork house out, baby. I love you.